had to change the outer tie rod on my daily beater there. Just trying out a quick little time lapse to see how the camera's gonna fare doing it. So it's just a quick kind of video doing a time lapse of me changing the tie rod on the beater. Jack it up, take the wheel off, crack the jam nut loose, take the nut off the end of the tie rod, whack the knuckle with a hammer to pop the joint out of the knuckle, spin it off, count the threads, spin it on, same number of threads, tighten everything up, wheel on. Pretty simple. Like I said, just a quick little time lapse of me doing it. Whether you like it, hopefully somebody likes it, I don't know. Like I said, just trying it out, so we'll see how it goes. Thanks.